Yeah, the first time I heard about TMS was a few months ago when I attended one of Dr. Bonshi's presentations. I've been through depression for a very long time. There are moments when it was more difficult than others. I've tried therapy, medication, and different things. Yes, they have worked, but there are moments when I felt that, oh, maybe they're not working as well as I wish they could be working. Is that people think that depression is just feeling sad, or for some other people, it's just being home, curled up in bed, and having suicidal thoughts. And depression, like any other mental illness, it has different layers, different levels of severity. It affects our sleep, our energy level, our appetite, our outlook on life. Anxiety, we think, oh, it's that little feeling that we have. Something in our gut, but it's a lot more than that. Anxiety is also the apprehension, the feeling of worry, the worries that we have. They don't just affect our mood or the way we feel our emotions, but it affects everything. It's painful. I know as a patient, and I know also as a clinician, because I've seen the pain in my clients' eyes. You don't have to suffer. You don't have to hide, and you don't have to self-medicate with drugs or alcohol, because there are solutions. And now we are in 2022. We have TMS, we have different types of psychotherapies, medication. So there is a great deal of advancement in this field and research. So there are solutions. At first I was a little bit skeptical. It sounded too good to be true. And after the first week, I started feeling an incredible improvement in my sleep. My sleep was deep, because before I would wake up several times at night, but my sleep was deep. I woke up rested, which changes everything. Sleep is more important than food, is more important than anything. So that was a good start, and then I started feeling that my energy level had changed. I had more energy, and then little by little it started being my mood. My mood improved incredibly. I started feeling good about myself and more confident, because we know that depression affects self-esteem, and so I was more confident, and I had this joie de vivre, like we say in French, back. I was excited about life. I was excited about my relationships, about my life, about my job, and it's a very good feeling. It's a very good feeling to have, and I'll always be grateful for Dr. Bonchi and GIA for this, because it was, to me, it was almost like a miracle, because I had tried many types of treatments, and they worked for some time, but not for a long period of time, and not to this level. TMS gives a great relief, and it also gives you that sense of clarity. It's easier to think, and after that I felt that I was myself again. It's really up to you. It's your responsibility, and you have to be proactive and love yourself enough to take care of yourself, to become the best version of yourself, to become you, to feel good, because you deserve to be happy and you deserve to feel good. And so you need to take matters in your hands and do what you need to do. Here at GIA, you're not a client. You're a person, and you're even family. Everyone is smiling, everyone is friendly, everyone gets to know you, takes the time to know you. They don't focus only on the symptoms, they focus on the whole person. So this is why they offer TMS, they offer therapeutic services, and and also a medication management, which is sometimes necessary in some cases. So TMS, psychotherapy, medication management is very important, and you have all of this at GIA. They treat the person, not the symptoms. There are some other facilities that offer TMS, but here they're very precise in the way they do it, and also they work with, they have psychiatrists on site that do medication management, they have psychotherapists who do the psychotherapy. So it's a whole team, and that's what's important. And you are important to them. Some of my clients have been telling me that I look different, that I look happier, that I look radiant. And then I tell them, I said, well, it's TMS. and it's easier working with them, going through this myself. It's easier to encourage my clients to do it, because I've been through it and I know what it's like. I know the effects, and so I'm not just preaching for something I haven't tried. And I just feel that life is too short, and we need to enjoy it. We need to enjoy every single day, and not waste any time. And a lot more people than we think suffer from mental illness, a lot more. And sometimes we don't realize. We think that because someone has a job and because someone has a family and we see them smiling, it doesn't mean anything. So our mind is there are parts of our mind that are very simple, and other parts that are complex. Nowadays, with technology, with research, there are solutions. So it's really up to you. I'm so happy that I met Dr. Bonchi, and that I heard about TMS from him, and that I went through this experience.